wings of vibrant yellow, soaring through the skies with a voice that echoes, catching every ear that tries. A parrot of distinction, vibrant feathers shining bright in the heart of the jungle, spreading colors with all its might. Perched upon the branches, charismatic to behold, a creature full of wonder, so precious and so bold. Melodies that charm, a symphony of joy, untamed the yellow-headed Amazon, forever unashamed. Yellow-headed Amazon, oh, you steal the show. With every vibrant feather, you let the whole world know. A beacon of beauty,
flying high through the rainforest sky. Birds of color, they catch my eye. Feathers vibrant like a work of art. Amazon rivers where they start. From tree to tree, their melodies ring. Songs of nature's beauty, they sing under the sun. They dance and play in the Amazon, they lead the way.
Feathers shining, colors so bold. In the Amazon, it's your sight to behold, dancing through the trees. The majestic show, peacock of the jungle, steal the spotlight, let it flow. Strutting through the forest, confident and free. Your vibrant plumage, oh, how it hypnotizes me. With every movement and every sway, you captivate all in your own unique way. Oh, Amazonian peacock, you're a jewel in the wild. With your iridescent feathers, you make us smile. Spread your